Okay, class. The question is how to determine the equation of quadratic function in general form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, given the following conditions. The given conditions, we have number 1, table of values. Number 2, graph and illustration. Number 3, zeros of quadratic equation. Let's start with the first condition, the table of values. Again, our target is to determine the equation of quadratic function given the x values and we have the y values. Points are given. We have 1, 1, 2, 3, and 3, 9. And we will use general form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c as our format on determining the equation of quadratic function. Okay, let's continue. Again, our table of values, the given points, 1, 1, 2, 3, and 3, 9. We will use again our general formula para maging format natin sa ating kukuhaning equation of quadratic function. Let's start with the first point, 1, 1. The value of x is 1 and the value of y is 1. What will happen to our equation? Papalitan natin, substitute natin or i-replace natin yung 1, 1 sa value ng x and y. Magiging 1 equals a times the quantity of 1 squared. Ito yun. Then plus b squared, ang value ng x pa rin ay 1, wherein ang value ng y ay 1. Plus c. And the reduced equation is 1 equals a plus b plus c. That is our first equation. And the second one, we have the second point, 2, 3. The value of x is 2 and the value of y is 3. What will happen? We have 3 equals a times the quantity of 2 squared plus b times the quantity of 2 plus c. The reduced or the simplified equation, we have 3 equals 4a plus 2b plus c. That is our second equation. Sa ating point 3, 9, the value of x is 3 and the value of y is 9. What will happen? 9 equals a times the quantity of 3 squared plus b times 3 plus c. And the simplified equation is 9 equals 9a plus 3b plus c. That is our third equation. Dahil tapos na tayo sa pagkuha ng ating equation, meron na tayong 3 equations, igugrupo naman natin ito ngayon na kung saan our target is to determine the value of a, b, and c. And as our second target, determine the equation of quadratic function. Ang ating first group, we have first equation and second equation. Second group, second equation, third equation. Third group, first equation, third equation. Ang third group natin ay ginagamit lang natin ito kapag ang ating equation ay complicated pa. Pero kapag meron na tayong possible or possibility na madali nating makuha ang value ng a at b at c, hindi na natin ginagamit ang third group. Okay, let's start with the first group, equation 1 and equation 2. We will use elimination method to determine the 3 unknowns. Because our target here is to find or determine the value of a, b, and c. As we can see here, meron tayong equation 1, ito yung ating equation 1 kanina, ito ang ating equation 2. Gagamit tayo ng elimination method. Na kung saan, ang 3 equals 4a plus 2b plus c equation 2 ay nagbago. Naging negative 3 equals negative 4a minus 2b minus c. Dahil gumamit tayo ng elimination method. Ang pag-i-elimination or ang pag-i-eliminate natin ay kahit aling variable ang mauna kung ano yung pinakamadaling matanggal o ma-eliminate. Ang pinili ko dito ay c kasi pag-multiply lang tayo ng negative 1 sa labas. Pwede kang mag-eliminate na kahit anong variable. For example, ang ating 4a, positive 4a. Ang ating A ay merong A and 4A. Kailangan ma-zero yon. Ibig sabihin, kailangan nating magkaroon ng negative 4A. Imumultiply natin both sides sa negative 4 para may makancel tayo doon. Samantalang sa B naman, meron tayong positive 2B dito, kailangan natin sa taas ng negative 2B. So, ibig sabihin, imumultiply natin siya sa negative 2 sa labas. Now, we have negative 3 equals negative 4A minus 2B minus C. And the result, we have 1 minus 3 is negative 2, A minus 4A is negative 3A, B minus 2B, negative B, C minus C equals 0. Therefore, the value of B equals negative 3A plus 2. Meron na ngayon tayong equation number 4. Okay, let's continue. Ang ating second group naman, equation 2 and equation 3. Yun pa rin ang gagamitin natin, ang ating elimination method. Equation 2 ay 3 equals 4A plus 2B plus C at ang equation 3 natin ay 9 equals 9A plus 3B plus C. Since na-eliminate na natin kanina yung equation 2, yun pa rin ang ating gagamitin. Na-eliminate na natin. So, ibig sabihin ang ating equation na eliminated ay ito. Negative 3 equals negative 4A minus 2B minus C. Kaya ito na yan. Okay, then copy the equation 3. 9 equals 9A plus 3B plus C. Then add. Negative 3 plus 9, 6. Negative 4A plus 9A is positive 5A. Negative 2B plus 3B, B. And negative C plus C is 0. Therefore, we have the value of B, 6 minus 5A. And this is our equation number 5. At dahil meron na tayong value ng B equals negative 3A plus 2 at meron pa tayong another B equals 6 minus 5A, meron na tayong equation 4 at equation 5. Ang gagawin natin, gagamit tayo ng comparison method para sila ay i-compare. Makakakuha tayo ng value ng pwedeng A, pwedeng value ng B. Ayan. Okay, tingnan natin. We're going to use comparison method. Negative 3A plus 2 equals 6 minus 5A. Ano ba ang tinatawag natin comparison method? Kino-compare natin kapag meron tayong magkaparehas na variable at merong magkaibang value. Again, ang ating first value ng B, negative 3A plus 2, at ang second value ng B ay 6 minus 5A. Iko-compare ngayon natin ito. Okay? Yan. Okay, negative 3A plus 2 equals 6 minus 5A. Then, we're going to compare it. What will happen? Niliban na natin ang equal sign, yung negative 5A. Sa kaliwa, magpa-positive 5A. Yung positive 2, lumiban sa kanan, magne-negative 2. Then, simplify. Magkakaroon tayo ng negative 3A plus 5A, 2A. 6 minus 2, 4. Then, ang value ng A natin ay 2. Bakit 2? Kasi dinivide natin sa numerical coefficient. Ayun, dinivide natin ito sa numerical coefficient which is 2. Therefore, the value of A is 2. Since we have equations given, equation 4 and 5, pwede tayong kumuha o gumamit ng equation. Dahil meron na tayong value ng A, gumamit tayo ng substitution method para makakuha tayo ng panibagong value. Okay, ang pinili ko ng equation ay equation 5. B equals 6 minus 5A. Gagawin kong, isasubstitute ko na yung value ng A para makuha ang value ng B. B equals 6 minus 5 times 2. B equals 6 minus 10 because 5 times 2 is 10. B equals negative 4. Therefore, the value of B is negative 4. Dalawa na ngayon ang nakuha nating value. Value ng A, 2, at value ng B, negative 4. Isa na lamang ang kulang natin, value ng C. At dahil meron na tayong value ng A, which is 2, and value ng B, which is negative 4, gagamit na tayo ngayon ng substitution method to find C, where A equals 2 and B equals negative 4. Saan tayo gagamit nito? Doon sa ating original equations. yung ating first three equations. What are those? First equation, 1 equals a plus b plus c. Second equation, we have 3 equals 4a plus 2b plus c. And the third equation, 9 equals 9a plus 3b plus c. Pili tayo ng isa kahit isa lang. Basta makuha natin ang value ng c. Okay? Ipapakita ko lahat ang solution na kahit anong gamitin ay iisa lang ang magiging sagot. Pinili ko muna yung number 1 na kung saan sinubstitute natin. Ang value ng a dito ay 2, value ng b ay negative 4. Anong mangyayari? Ayan. Pag-aralan ang solution, lumiban ng equal sign, nag-positive 2, 1 plus 2, 3. Therefore, the value of c is 3. Ayan. Sa second equation naman, 3 equals 4 times 2 plus 2 times negative 4 plus c. What will happen? 3 equals 8 minus 8 plus c. 3 equals 0 plus c. 3 equals c. And therefore, the value of c is 3. Sa third equation, ganun din. Ayan, 18 minus 12, 6 plus c. Lumiba ng equal sign, nag-9 minus 6 equals c. Ayun, 3 equals c. Therefore, the value of c is also 3. Meron na ngayon tayong value. We have a equals 2, b equals negative 4, and c equals 3. Okay, now, since we have the value of a, b, and c, we can conclude now that we can rearrange now our general form. Y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, substitute natin ang value. Ang a natin ay 2, value ng b ay negative 4, value ng c ay 3. Therefore, the equation of quadratic function is y equals 2x squared minus 4x plus 3. Pwede rin namang f of x equals 2x squared minus 4x plus 3. Tapos na ngayon tayo sa first condition, that is table of values. Ang second condition naman ay graph or illustration. Okay, now, let's proceed to our second condition, graph or illustration through parabola. We have now here y equals ax squared, and the second one we have y equals ax squared plus k. The third one, we have y equals a times the quantity of x minus h squared plus k. At ito yung kanyang vertex. First form, ang vertex niya ay 0, 0. Nasa origin ang magiging vertex ng ating parabola. Samantalang sa second form, 0k. Sa third form, wherein ang tawag natin dyan ay vertex form, h, k ang magiging vertex natin. Kapag ganito, since our target is to determine the equation given ang ating graph or parabola or illustration, anong gagawin natin? Okay? Maaaring kung alamin mong maigi kung ano yung value ng vertex natin. Kapag nakuha mo ang vertex, maaaring itong makatulong na kung saan pwede mo nang i-apply ang vertex form. Yun nga lang wala ka pang value ng a. Kapag nakuha mo ang value ng a, makukompleto na ang iyong quadratic function or the equation of quadratic function. Paano ka makakakuha ng equation of quadratic function? Okay, pwede mong tingnan ang value ng vertex mo. Then, since a na lang ang wala mong value para makompleto ang iyong vertex form, gagawan mo ng paraan. Okay, gagamitin mo uli yung table of values. Tingnan mong maigi. Ito yung mga graph natin na kung saan tingnan mo yung mga points na dinaanan ng parabola, then gawin mo siyang point, sample points. Then, create ka ng table of values, substitute ka uli, kahit a lamang ang makuha mo kapag mayroon ka ng value ng h at k. And now we have y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Ito na yung ating general form. Na kung saan, kapag ang given natin ay parabola or graph, mahihirapan tayo agad ma-identify o ma-determine ang ating equation of quadratic function. Kasi nakaka-challenge kapag graph yung ating nakita. Okay, first step, ito yung ating graph, sample graph ng ating general form. First step, tingnan mong maigi ang physical appearance ng ating parabola. Tingnan mo kung may mga nadaanang points, then itong general form, doon ka talaga babalik sa ating condition 1. Gagawa ka ng table of values, then gagawa ka rin ng setup ng points na kung saan pupunta ka sa elimination method gamit ang linear equation. Kuha ka ng dalawang equation, then equate mo, then kukuha ka ng value ng A, B, at C. Okay, ganun pa rin. Babalik ka pa rin sa condition number 1. Okay, let's have the last condition, the zeros of quadratic equation. Again, we will use general form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c para ito yung ating maging format ng ating equation of quadratic function. How about the given example? The zeros are negative 2 and 3. Anong gagawin natin? Equate muna natin sa x variable. X equals negative 2, x equals 3 because the zeros are also the roots of the given quadratic equation. Then after that, equate natin sa 0 ang dalawa nating roots. Okay, x plus 2 equals 0, x minus 3 equals 0. Bakit nagpalit ng sign? Dahil lumiba ng equal sign. Then, magiging y equals x plus 2, then x minus 3. The quantity of x plus 2 and the quantity of x minus 3. Bakit? Dahil kung mapapansin natin, ito na yung ating first binomial, second binomial. Then, after that, multiply the two binomials, x plus 2 times x minus 3, using FOIL method. It's up to you, as long as you will arrive at x squared minus x minus 6. Therefore, the equation of quadratic function is y equals x squared minus x minus 6, or the f of x equals x squared minus x minus 6. Okay, paano naman kapag ang zeros of quadratic equation ay mayroon tayong fractions? Ito yung ating example number 2. The zeros are negative 3/5 and 2/3. Ganun din ang gagawin natin. Okay, isisimplify natin siya parang roots. X equals negative 3/5 and x equals 2/3 na magkahiwalay. Then after that, since 5 and 3 are denominators, simplify natin yun. I-multiply natin ang 5 sa x. Then i-transpose natin yung negative 3 sa left side, liliban ng equal sign, magpa-positive. 5x plus 3 equals 0. Then 3x minus 2 equals 0. They are both equated to 0. Then after that, kuhanin natin siya as binomial. 5x plus 3 na nakaseparate, then 3x minus 2. Then, multiply natin ang dalawang binomial. The product is, pwedeng gumamit ng FOIL method. Y equals 15x squared minus 10x plus 9x minus 6. And the result will be y equals 15x squared minus x minus 6. Therefore, the equation of quadratic function is y equals 15x squared minus x minus 6. Or f of x equals 15x squared minus x minus 6.